Have you ever wondered if a platform like Uphold, known for its diverse asset offerings, truly allows you to bring your existing cryptocurrency holdings into the fold? In the ever-evolving world of digital assets, understanding how to manage and consolidate your portfolio across different platforms is key. You might have Bitcoin sitting in one wallet, Ethereum in another, and be curious if Uphold can be the central hub for it all. The good news is, yes, Uphold absolutely can receive crypto from external wallets. It's designed to be a versatile platform, not just for buying and selling, but also for consolidating and managing a wide array of digital and traditional assets. This means you can deposit various cryptocurrencies directly into your Uphold account, making it easier to keep track of your holdings and leverage Uphold's features. Uphold prides itself on being a multi-asset digital money platform. Beyond cryptocurrencies, it supports fiat currencies, precious metals, and even equities. This anything-to-anything trading capability is one of its core strengths. So, if you're looking to move your crypto from another exchange or a personal wallet, Uphold provides the infrastructure to do so. But what kind of crypto are we talking about? Uphold supports a broad range of popular cryptocurrencies for network deposits. This includes major players like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Ripple, XRP, along with a significant number of altcoins and emerging tokens. They list over 250 digital currencies on their platform, from AAVE to ZRX, offering a wide selection for users to deposit. It's always a good idea to check their official website for the most up-to-date list of supported cryptocurrencies and the specific networks they operate on. The process of depositing crypto into your Uphold account is designed to be user-friendly. Typically, you'll navigate to the deposit section within your Uphold app or on their website. From there, you'd select Crypto Network as your deposit method. You then choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit and the corresponding blockchain network. Uphold will then provide you with a unique deposit address and often a QR code. This is the address you'll use in your external wallet or exchange to send the crypto to your Uphold account. It's crucial to always double-check the deposit address and ensure you're sending the correct cryptocurrency on the correct network. Sending crypto to the wrong address or on an unsupported network can result in permanent loss of funds. Also, be mindful of any destination tags or memos required for certain cryptocurrencies, as omitting these can delay or complicate your deposit. While Uphold allows for seamless crypto deposits, it's worth noting that network fees may apply, as these are determined by the respective blockchain networks and not Uphold itself. The time it takes for your deposit to reflect in your account can also vary depending on network congestion, but it generally ranges from a few minutes to a few hours. Uphold's ability to receive crypto from external sources makes it a convenient platform for those looking to consolidate their digital assets. It offers a secure environment with features like multi-signature security and a focus on transparency, even publishing its reserve status in real time. This can provide peace of mind for users looking for a reliable platform to manage their diverse portfolio. So, if you've been wondering if Uphold can be your go-to for all your crypto holdings, the answer is a resounding yes. It's a robust platform that offers the flexibility to bring your digital assets together under one roof, allowing for easier management, conversion, and trading. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.